No, no, no. You are absolutely wrong. This is not just one, not two, but 5 apps that's going to pay you $400 over and over again. And you literally need to do nothing, and you can cash out your money in many different payment methods. And of course, you can do this from basically anywhere in the world. And you only need one thing, which is your mobile phone. You can do this on your Android phone or on your iPhone. All you gotta do is just follow my easy steps. Download the app and sign up for a free account, and boom! You're ready to go and start making money. I want you to think about this. You wake up early in the morning, you check your mobile phone, and guess what? You receive your payment in your account. You can start making money just like this while you're sitting at your couch, even while you are sleeping and literally doing nothing. You can still make money over and over again. And the best thing about all of this is that they are absolutely free, meaning you do not have to spend any money at all to download them. But here's the warning. Results may vary, so use at your own risk. There may be days where you're gonna make a lot of money, and there are also days that you might make lesser money. But if you watch this video, you're gonna discover the 5 passive income apps that's gonna pay you while you're doing nothing. This is totally hands-free, even while you sleep. I'll show you how to download, sign up, and verify for free and start earning $100 up to $400 with just your mobile phone. And you'll learn everything step by step. And then you can see exactly how I do it before you go and try it yourself. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The first app that I want to show you is TV2.com. So the concept of this app is really simple. You can just click and play and watch the video and you can start making money. You can do this on the television or on your phone, whether it's just iOS or Android. The reason how you can make money is that you can literally click and play the video and just let it play at the background using different devices. Now you can do this while you go to school, while you're sleeping, or you're going to do your other things. So all you're going to do is download the TV2 app on your mobile phone. So if you're using Android phone, you can go onto Google Play Store and you're going to search for this app right here. And as you can see, hundreds of thousands of people left a review and they got close to 5 stars, which is incredible. Once you download the app, make sure you go and click the app to your mobile phone or link them to your television and you can play the video and start making money. And there are literally unlimited videos and channels that you can click on and start making money. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The second app that you can make money without doing anything is over at appkarma.io. As you can see here, you can earn rewards by playing with apps, and this is absolutely free. The reason why you can make money without doing anything is that when you download and install this app, you can instantly get 300 points, meaning you can get $3 without doing anything. You can download this on your Android phone. You can download this on your iPhone. So right now, this is the bonus tip which I'm gonna give you. Every single day, just log into your account. Go on and open this app and just claim that daily rewards. And this is how you can earn money every single day without doing anything. On this app, you can get different achievement badges, which can multiply your earnings, and you can earn double or even triple your money right now. And one last thing about App Karma is that you can actually refer your friends by sharing an invite link on your app, and you can earn 30% of whatever your friends earn. So say for example, when you refer people and they earn $100, you can earn $30 for free without doing anything. Once again, if you're using an Android phone, you can go onto your Google Play Store and search for this app, and the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right application. This is just a very simple app to use, and you have multiple ways to make money, including playing games, and also you can earn by scratching cards. And don't forget to log in every single day to claim your rewards. The third app is over at Cash for Minutes. With this app, you can make money by simply listening to internet radio broadcast, and you can receive your money every single week. As you can see here, they are now offering weekly payouts in many different payment options. So right here, you can see speedy payments. You can choose from weekly or monthly payment by using either bank transfer, PayPal, or Amazon gift card. Once again, this app is available worldwide. They have global access, so all you need is just a mobile phone and an internet connection. Basically, this is how it works. You can go on and sign up for a free account on Cash for Minutes. Just set up your profile and link your phone number to this app, and you can start listening to different radio broadcasts and radio stations, and you can start earning money. On this app, there's another bonus way to make money, which is by referring a friend. As you can see here, you can invite your friends and you can earn 5% of whatever they earn. You can refer your friends, you can refer your family, or you guys can just leave your referral links below this video, and you can use each other's referral links, and all of you can make money all together. Moving on to app number 4, which is over at GetSlyJoy.com. And the reason why this app will pay you money for literally doing nothing is because they want to show you different advertisements on your phone, and that's the way they're making money. This app actually got featured in many major companies. So as you can see here, once you download this app on your mobile phone, they're gonna start showing different advertisements on your lock screen. As you can see here, they might show you an ad about a pair of shoes. So all you gotta do is just slide right to go to your home screen. You can just ignore the advertisement and you can get paid every single day. You can go onto your Google Play Store and you can find this app, and the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right application. Once again, as you can see here, almost a lot of people are leaving reviews, and there are a lot of happy users right there using this website and making money every single day. As you can see here, it's literally free money. You can cash out using a PayPal account, or you can donate to different charities. Finally, we're going to go on to the last app today, where you can make money by literally doing nothing as well. And this is over at moneysmsapp.com. So right here on this website, if you have an Android phone, you can download it for free. And you can literally make money online automatically by receiving SMS. Unfortunately for this app, they only work on Android phones. This doesn't work on an iPhone. But once again, I want you to comment down below and let me know if you are using an iPhone or if you are using an Android phone. Once you download this app, you're gonna start receiving different text messages. You can ignore them and you can delete them, but you can earn money passively without any action. And once again, this app is completely free. You don't have to pay anything to get started. And once again, this is secure and they don't read any of your private messages. You can cash out in different payment methods as well. Right now, I want you to comment down below and let me know what your preferred payment method is in your country. And once again, you can withdraw your money within 48 hours, which is incredibly fast. And right here on this app, they do actually have a referral program where you can refer this app to your friends or your community, and you can earn 30% from their earnings. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.